Are you battling to make your business #1 in search results? Remember, a high-ranking score is only the first step. Don't sacrifice good content for better SEO. Chris Adams from G-Shift Labs explains why.
We've seen this before in the Yellow Pages where companies will call themselves, One Limos, just so that they're the first listing in the Yellow Pages. When I opened it up and said One Limos, and that was the first entry. That was a technique that people used in the 80s. It's similar technique in terms of how people are doing things with SEO today, but it's not going to give you that long-lasting brand. And this is where the art form of SEO comes in as well. You can optimize a page and get people to get there, but if they just bounce off the website because it's not a great design, you don't have a really great call to action, you're not motivating the person to take action with your organization, if you failed at that part, then all your energy to get those people to the website is not there. So I urge people to understand that there is actually like a natural human process and that you need to actually write for the search engines, yes, but you even need to write for that person like Peter that's coming and looking for a limo, and a call to action that really engages me to pick up the phone or send that person an email. And so that's really the big key right there.
Want more SEO advice, including our complete interview with Chris Adams? Check out yourbusinessenterprise.com. Free, unbiased videos for the entrepreneur. Subscribe, share, comment. We'd love to hear what you think.